Hey. Just gonna fill all these in, bring some plasterboard there, skim over, and end up with something like that with the holes there and the lights coming out. So I'm just gonna chop some battens down and have some plasterboard holder there. So I'm just gonna set these up, these blocks, to be able to put in there. And to do that, I'll take the distance from here to the outer edge of the box, and then I measure back 12 mil, and 34 is what I've got, and I'll just put 34 in there with a 2 mil gap and cut that, ready to go. There's my pile. All the pieces of wood are in place now, ready for a bit of plasterboard on each one. And with the power of camera, it's all done. They're just going to get plastered over now, and then we've got the beams stretching along the beams. Now I've got all of these lovely little boards in. I've got to now cut down a strip of this old ancient table to be able to pull it just underneath this gap to fill it all up. I'll be using my Makita rail saw to get that perfect splinter-free factory finish. I've just had to plane out this special profile here. It's hockey stick, they call it a hockey stick. So I've just made that using my planer, and that's gonna slot lovely in the little light line there. Here is a finished result. Looks a lot better than it did anyway. This is at the client's request. So I've just finished work and I'm here 6 PM, about to start another job. So I'm basically just doing a stone repair on this old masonry in Lewes. So it's all been weathered away and cracked. My job is to rebuild it, make it look fresh again. Little return there. Clamped a piece of wood with some sash clamps to the underneath, and I can start fitting that and letting it set. I'm adding 2 decorators filler knives to stop it from sticking to the wood. There she is with a basic fill now. Just building it out bit by bit. I'll move the wood along and then carry on this bit. So I've got quite a lot of the filler in now. All I want to do is get a wet sponge and kind of just mould it all in, give it that stipple effect, just to marry it up to the rest of the wall. I've smoothed it all off and blended it all in. Now I'm going to get a dry paintbrush and just stipple it in so it looks a little bit like it's been there for a long time, and by the time the paint goes over you should get that render kind of look to it. There's non-stippled and there's the stippled. There's the first base done. I was just showing you how to finish it. Tomorrow I'm going to give it another layer, finish off this corner, finish off that lovely end there. Catch you guys in a bit. Hope you guys enjoyed the video yesterday. I'm back at the refurb house and I'm starting to plaster in them holes now. Let me just turn that flickering off. So I'm just going to plaster in these areas just to blend them into the property like we've done up there. They're all plastered in now. I'll put that batten back underneath. Be done. I'm back here in the town of Lewes. Gonna do some more of that ledge work that I was doing yesterday, and I'm gonna take my drone. I've got the DJI Mavic Mini 2. Well, it's DJI Mini 2 here. I'm gonna send it around Lewes and show you guys what a beautiful town this is.
Hey, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40, 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46, 47, 48, 49, 50, 51, 52, 53, 54, 55, 56, 57, 58, 59, 60, 61, 62, 63, 64, 65, 66, 67, 68, 69, 70, 71, 72, 73, 74, 75, 76, 77, 78, 79, 80, 81, 82, 83, 84, 85, 86, 87, 88, 89, 90, 91, 92, 93, 94, 95, 96, 97, 98, 99, 100, 101, 102, 103, 104, 105, 106, 107, 108, 109, 110, 111, 112, 113, 114, 115, 116, 117, 118, 1
Okay, we've got most of it done now. Just got to come back, do another visit. But yeah, she's looking nice, you know. Back to her original state. Better than her original state. So when I come back, I've got to carry this form on along there. It's not quite there yet. Get this curve sanded round a lot better. Add in a little piece there, and then finish this corner there, and then we'll be good.